Hey guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we're going to be learning how to make this trendy head bowl. If you're interested in learning how to make this, don't miss any clip of this video. Stay tuned to the end. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And let's dive right into it. Okay, so for this head bowl tutorial, I have a pin here. You can use this kind, or you can use this kind. You can also use the bigger ones, just depending on the size that you can find. But this is what I have at home here, so I'm just improvising. Okay, and the next thing, you're going to go ahead and cut out 4 pieces, just like this laid out on my table. And the measurements for the 4 pieces I'll be using would be 7.5 by 9, and this one is about 6 by 6. Okay, so then you go ahead and cut out one that's like a triangle, and at this point it's 20 inches, and around this point it's 13.5 inches. So just go ahead and make that triangular shape and cut that out. This one is of no specific length yet, but you can just cut it out by like 10 inches and 2.5 or 2 inches. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to sew round this, round this, round this, leaving a little space though to turn this inside out. And then this one I'm just going to sew all around this point so I can also turn it inside out. I'm gonna head to sew everything. I sewed this side and I sewed all through here. I also sewed all through here. So for this 2 pieces that I'm using for the bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and make a little opening at the middle. And now from this hole, I'm just going to turn it inside out. You can either use your scissors or you can use something as straight or pointed as this. But I think my scissors is doing the work for this. So just go ahead and check out those edges. And this now go ahead and do the same thing to this piece. So I'm gonna have to give these 4 pieces a good press on camera because my eye has been very moist lately. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this piece on top of this piece, just like you see me doing like this. Go ahead and thread your needle, and you're just going to make a stitch at this little line, and you're going to gather that, just like you see me doing like this. And once you've sewed that, you're just going to go ahead and use the thread to hold this in place. Just do that till it's very strong and tight. While doing that, make sure you adjust your bow so it's looking good on the outside, just like mine is. And when you're sure that's tight enough, just go ahead and tie that. so now I'm going to leave this piece aside. I'm going to grab the next one. Then I'm going to thread my needle again, and I'll just repeat the same step like I did. So after I've joined everything together like this, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my pin. They usually sell this at the market for just about 20 naira, or you can just find a bigger one, but this is what I have right now. Then I'm just going to place it right here. Okay. While placing it, just try to bring it out through the other side. Okay. And this is what I have. Okay. So there you have it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, also leave a like, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.